In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to private your games, as well as your games library or collections, on Steam. So without further ado, let's dive into it. The process is actually quite simple. First, you'll want to make sure you have Steam open, just like I have it right here on my screen. This might already be familiar, but it's worth noting exactly what we're aiming for today. Our primary goal is to access and modify our games library. Once you've opened Steam, hover over Library, then click on Home. This will navigate you to the main page of your library. Here, you can see all the games you own and have access to. Now, before we continue, it's crucial to understand the distinction between hiding a game and setting a game to private. When you choose to hide a game, you're effectively transferring it to a different collection within your library. This can be useful if you simply wish to reduce clutter or temporarily move titles out of sight. For instance, let's say you want to hide a game like Counter-Strike from being displayed to your friends or in your activities feed. To do this, you'd right-click on the game in your library. Scroll down to Manage, and from here, you'll see two options: hide this game and mark as private. For our immediate example, selecting Hide this game will move it into a separate collection of hidden games. To see your hidden games, you simply click on View at the top of Steam, then select Hidden Games. There, you'll find your game. If you later decide to bring the game back, simply follow these steps again to unhide it. Now, the difference between hiding and marking a game as private comes into play when considering the visibility of your game activity. Marking a game as private means that all activities related to that game are concealed from your profile. This includes any achievements, playtime, and your in-game status. For example, let's choose Destiny 2. If for some reason you don't want your friends to know you're playing this game, simply right-click it and select Manage, then mark as private. When you choose this option, a window will appear, confirming that marking this game as private will indeed hide it everywhere outside of your library. It's important to note that your ownership, playtime, and any activities related to this game won't be visible to others. Much like with hidden games, you can access your private games by clicking View and then Hidden Games, though in this tab, you'll also see another collection for private games. A key takeaway here is that unlike hiding, setting a game to private ensures that every detail linked to it, including playtime and achievements, are invisible to others. This is particularly useful if you wish to maintain a level of privacy on your profile. Whether it's Destiny 2 or another game, taking these steps will provide you more privacy control within Steam. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to try this out yourself.